you will miss 100% of the shot which you don't take. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Navin. Sage University hosted the 80th National Billiards and Snooker Championship 2021, which was held in Bhopal. Sage University hosted these championships in association with the Youth and Welfare Association of Madhya Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh Billiards and Snooker Association. Sage University provided with the best infrastructure and playing conditions, making it one of the best nationals played so far, quoted by some of the players. The highlight of this tournament being all the final events played at the Royal State Auditorium. The single stage setup was of international and professional standards. Sage and BSFI also provide food and accommodation to the players. It was also for the first time it provided food and accommodation free of cost for the sub-junior and the junior boys and girls. With a lot of COVID restrictions and protocol, this national championship was the biggest challenge. BSFI and the Madhya Pradesh Billiards and Snooker Association did a wonderful job. This national was the longest national played so far. It nearly was played for 35 days. This was because of the introduction of the 6-red national tournament along with the regular events. Normally, 6-red national tournament is a separate event. This was the first time it was included along with the regular events, thus making it one of the longest nationals so far. The stage was set, the infrastructure was good, the playing conditions was beyond expectations. The players did entertain the crowd with some good cueing. The youngsters prevailed in this tournament with their positive and aggressive approach outclassed the experienced cueists. Looking at these youngsters play, it is safe to say the future of cue sports is in safer hands. There were nearly 14 events played in this tournament, and the winners This tournament had a lot of pros. If there are pros, there should also be cons. I would like to say there are few areas which BSFI could look into in the future. Namely, as I said, this being the longest played tournament, it definitely had a lot of financial strain to the players. A lot of players participated in 2 or 3 events, which made them to stay back for a long time. This definitely would have given a big financial cut in their pocket. So BSFI can try reducing the tournament days so that all the players get benefited and they are not burdened with the financial constraints in the future. Other than this, I don't find any cons to tell about this tournament. As I said, BSFI has done a wonderful job. This has raised a lot of expectations for the next year tournament. To my conclusion, I would say the 80th National Billiards and Snooker Championship was one of the best national championship players played so far. I especially thank BSFI and Sage University for conducting such a good tournament. If you like this channel, please subscribe, comment and share it with your friends.